Hi, my name is Kirsty and today I'm taking over the Dan Builds channel to show you how to replace the battery in my Ford Fiesta titanium key. All you're going to need is a replacement battery. So these are CR2032 lithium batteries, and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So we've got the key where the battery needs replacing. We've got a replacement CR2032 lithium battery and a flathead screwdriver. So you're going to want to start by squeezing together these two pinch points here, either side of this metal ring. So what that's going to do is going to pop up this part of the key. You're going to lift that up gently and that will reveal your spare key. So to take this out, you can use this as a bit of a lever to gently prise that out of there. So you've got your spare key and the cover. So now that you've got your spare key removed, you're going to use the screwdriver to push down in this hole here to pop this side of the key away. So you need a little bit of force to push that through. You can see it's kind of come away here at the side, so you can use your screwdriver, you can use a nail to gently take this section off. There we go. So you'll see you've got your electronics this side and you've got the battery this side. So we can take out the old battery. So the screwdriver might be a bit easier. You're going to replace the battery with the positive side face down. So that's the positive side face down. Then we're going to put the key back together again. Replace the spare key. So this needs to go in this side first. So that bit slides in there. Click that in. And then again, with this one, you want to put the larger side first, so that then that clicks back in, and then the smaller tapered side goes in afterwards. And there you have it. That is a replacement key for a Ford Fiesta car.